If you're looking for a smart coding assistant that actually helps you code faster, make fewer mistakes, and even learn new things, this video is made for you. In this video, we're introducing two of the best tools out there. Right now, one is the most well-known, and the other has a promising future. One, GitHub Copilot, when coding feels like writing a sentence. GitHub Copilot is an AI assistant built by GitHub and OpenAI that works directly inside code editors like VS Code. Based on the code you're writing, it predicts the next line, completes functions, and sometimes even writes tests or comments. Why is it the best? High compatibility. Works with most popular languages like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, and more. Faster coding. Helps you write code quicker, so you can focus on higher-level design. Context-aware. Unlike some tools that give generic suggestions, Copilot understands the context of your code really well. If you're working on a big or team-based project, Copilot saves you from repetitive coding. But make sure to always review its suggestions. It can still make mistakes. The Pro version supports Copilot chat, like having ChatGPT inside your editor. 2. Cursor, a forward-thinking editor powered by AI. Cursor is essentially a smart fork of VS Code. It looks familiar, but offers entirely new capabilities. Its biggest strength, deep AI integration right inside the editor. Features. You can select code and ask questions like, "What does this function do?" or "How can I optimize it?" It has intelligent refactoring. It rewrites your code without breaking it. It offers semantic search, not just keyword-based. You can ask, "Where does the program send emails?" and it'll find that part for you. Why is it promising? Cursor focuses on interactive coding, not just suggestions. It's super helpful for teams working on complex projects. It's currently free and evolving rapidly. If you want a stable, popular, and widely supported tool, go with GitHub Copilot. If you're after a more interactive experience with smarter built-in AI tools, definitely try Cursor. Which one do you prefer? Or what do you currently use? Drop it in the comments.